Decide whether each of the following statements is true. If false, demonstrate why. Okay, so is this first one true? Is 6 factorial? Now what is that exclamation point is called factorial. And what it means 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. It means multiply the numbers together. And I don't even know what the answer is. It's some huge number. But it means multiply the numbers together all the way down. Here, I'll do it on my calculator. And, whoops, I blew it, 30, 120, 367. It's 720. Anyway, so that's 6 factorial. It's just in math, these expressions come up a lot, so they made a shortcut way of saying multiply from that number all the way down to 1. You just put that exclamation point. So the question before us, though, on part A, is 6 factorial equal to 6 times 5 factorial? Well, we know what 6 factorial is. It's 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And this is 6 times 5 factorial. What's 5 factorial? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So are those the same thing? Yes, for sure. They both equal 720. So the statement, oh wait, I just checked the wrong box there. Let's try that again. The statement is true. They're both equal to each other. They both mean 6 multiplied all the way down to 1. This is just a 6, and then 5 all the way down to 1. Put it all together. That's the same thing, 6 all the way down to 1. Let's try part B. Part B is this statement is 3 factorial plus 3 factorial equal to 6 factorial. Well, if you take your calculator and take 3 times 2 times 1, you'll get 6 plus 3 times 2 times 1 plus 6. And then we already figured out 6 factorial up here is 720. So is 6 plus 6 equal to 720? No way. That's totally false. 3 factorial plus 3 factorial is just 12, right? 6 plus 6. And that is not equal to 720. So you can't just add factorials. That means something very different, doesn't it? It's not going to be true. Finally, let's go down here to part C. And they're saying 6 factorial over 2 factorial versus 3 factorial. Are those equal? Well, 6 factorial over 2 factorial, what is that equal to? Well, that's 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 2 times 1, right? Remember the exclamation point called factorial means multiply all the way down to 1. And then you could cancel these. So that's just going to equal 6 times 5 times 4 times 3. Go ahead and do that on your calculator. Isn't it? I think it's 360. Yeah, 360 is what that one equals. And the other one, 3 factorial, that's just 3 times 2 times 1. That's just 6. So no, that's a false statement. Those are not equal. So just a little practice. So we can't divide factorials. It doesn't work that way. And we cannot add factorials. It doesn't work that way.